How all of you, hope you guys are great. So I'm recording this video because I want to have your opinion on two things. Yesterday I uploaded this video in that I have explained that what are the feature we're going to include into our DeFi project. So it's a staking platform, and I hope you guys have watched this video. If you haven't watched, make sure to watch it. It will give you a complete idea that what are the things we're going to create. So when I post this video yesterday, a lot of you guys have sent me email and asked me that, Daulat, you said that you're going to build a project on MetaMask clones, because we have already done the small version of MetaMask, but many of you are waiting for this particular one, this build MetaMask clone extension with all the features. So both the projects are ready. So I'm almost done with 90% on this project, and I'm also done with the 80% in this project. So like as you can see, the project is completely ready, but the recording part is also done. We are into the editing phase. So I just want to ask you that which project you want to build first. We want to build this particular MetaMask clone first, or you want to build this one? So do let me know in the comment section, because some of you are saying this one, some of you are saying this one. So just let me know in the comment section that which one you want to build first. And I want to ask one more thing, that do you guys want me to upload the video in small part, like the way we have followed in this particular project? I hope you guys have built this particular one. So if I come back here, this project, the blockchain full stack Dapp, if you haven't followed that, make sure to watch it. It will give you a broader idea that how the startup built, what are the architecture you have to follow, and how you have to think and find out the problem. So that's what we have covered in this one, and this one is an amazing project. So do you want me to upload the video in this format, like I should make a small topic and on that I should focus, or should I upload the video in one video? So do let me know that how you'd like to have a tutorial, the project on the channel. So these are the two things I want to know from all of you guys. So do let me know that which project you want to build first, whether you want to build token staking platform, or you want to go with this one, MetaMask clone. So I will start uploading that video first, and it will be a 1 week gap. So if I publish this particular project, so after a week or 10 days gap, you're going to have this particular project. So do let me know in the comment section that which one you want to build first. And that's why I'm making this video, because I was getting a lot of questions from all of you guys that you guys are waiting desperately for the DeFi project. Some of you are building your own MetaMask clones, adding different type of features. So some of you are saying this. So do let me know. We're going to build both the project very soon. So first, whatever the number I will get, so I will start uploading that video first, and after a 10 days gap, we're going to have the second project, whether it's this one or that one. So hope you guys have got an idea, and I hope you guys have watched this video. If you haven't watched that, make sure to watch it. That will give you a broader idea that what are the things we have included and how the DeFi would work in the real world, because this is the project which I have built for one of my clients. So that's why I was not posting the videos for the 6 to 7 days. You guys have noticed that there was a gap. You can see the gap in the videos. So we were working on the project, that's why I was not getting time to make tutorial, but finally I got a time yesterday, so I made this particular recording, and today I am doing this particular recording for this video. So I just want you to know that which one should we build first. Do let me know in the comment section, and we can start working on that. And if you guys haven't checked this particular course which I have on the channel, that will give you everything which you need to have as a Web2 developer, and if you want to step into the Web3 field. So come here and check the particular course, that what are the things we have included. Watch this particular video and check out the modules, that what are the things we have in this, what are the technology you're going to learn. Because once you will learn all of the things which we have covered in this particular video, that will give you everything which you need to have. Trust me, that will solve almost every single problem as a web developer, and then it would be very easy for you to take the skills to the Web3 space, and you can start focusing. So some of you might think that I'm promoting this course. Obviously I'm promoting. I want to be honest with you all guys, because you guys are really show your faith on me, and you guys follow regularly and watch my channel. So this is the thing which I have focused very deeply. I try my best to explain what is required to have skills to you as a developer. So that will teach you everything. If you build this project, it will give you a broader idea, and it would be very easy for you to follow on the other project and building a scalable application. So make sure to come and have a look. And there is tons of project we have already on our channel. Go to the playlist, and here you can able to find different type of projects. So go to this one, we have DeFi. This is the one we have API startup. This is the real estate Dapp we have. Make sure to complete this hard hat course. This is the Uniswap clone Soilty course we have. We have the NFT marketplace. This is the API, how to build the API. There's tons of course we have. So make sure to come and have a look. Try to understand that what you need, and spend some quality time. Try to take time, take break, and follow the project, because once you will take time and give your best No matter how much time you're spending, give your quality time, give your full attention. That will teach you things faster. Okay, so with that, I'm ending this video. Hope you guys have found this video valuable. If you still have any questions, any doubt, do let me know in the comment section, and do let me know in the comment section that which project should I build, because I really want to know that which one should I upload first, and the video will be live and you guys can follow that. So have a wonderful day.